Ladies and gentlemen, how inappropriate. It's time to play Fog of Doom. And the fog machine is not spitting out the fog of doom. You see, I specially formulated this fog to render all of you into a soporific and lackadaisical state, to make it easier for my teeth to sink into you. For you see, my fog contains delicious opiates, rare spices, fancy resins, all designed to render the human nervous system really complacent for me to eat. So fuck that fog machine. Here we go. Fog of Doom! Oh, I lied to you, ha ha! Look what will fill the room. Run if you can, it's the fog of doom. You can't hide, you can't get away. The fog of doom will be your end today. Breathe deep of the vapors. It will render you incapacitated. You can't resist, cause you're on my list. And the fog of doom will keep you from getting pissed when I eat you with my sharp teeth for the flesh that's underneath. Fog of doom is like an anesthetic gas, so it won't hurt all that much when I'm chewing on your ass. Yeah! Come on! The fog of doom, it fills the room. I've got the car that goes boom. It blows up and kills you humans. Then I drive away in my car that's zooming. You don't understand what I have in my hand. It might be your liver. You're such a tasty giver. You don't know what it means. I'm gonna eat what's in your jeans. I'm gonna eat what's in your shirt. Fog of doom will make it not hurt. The fog of doom, it makes you feel fine, so that you don't care when you become mine. The fog of doom, it makes you feel great, because I love you humans, best meal that I ate. F-O-G of doom. F-O-G of doom. F-O-G of doom. Breathe deep, y'all. The fog of doom. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Breathe deep, please. It will make this all go so much smoother if you can't feel my sharp, penetrable teeth. Thank you, thank you, thank you.